So why did I want to work with One Ummah? I think the main reason was that, mashallah, I knew some of the brothers who were involved with One Ummah, and I knew that they felt very passionately about da'wah as well as charity. And when I saw the projects, just the range of projects that One Ummah was working towards in so many different countries, over 20 countries, I was really impressed by that. I also loved the fact that they really cared about each individual family and really analysed what that particular area and that particular cause needed before they started a project there. They also have a 100% donation policy, which means that every penny that you donate is going towards those causes. So if you want to donate, please do go to oneummah.org.uk and donate now.